Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Springleaf Nature Park. It's a small but serene park located in the Upper Thomson area of Singapore. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Springleaf Nature Park. Hi guys, today I'm here in Springleaf Nature Park. So I'm just going inside now guys. Yeah, so this is the car park of Springleaf Nature Park guys. And there is a toilet here if you want to go to the toilet. And this is also a resting place. Discoveries of the past. The area around Springleaf Nature Park used to be known as Chanchukangvillage Forest Reserve and was once favored for the collection of botanical and zoological specimens. So this is guys, is the leaf litter plant, Singapore Copsia, Biko, that's Biko, and Sciflera Poleti. And this is Henry Nicholas Ridley was appointed the Director of Gardens and Forest Straits Settlements in 1888. He took charge of the forest and gardens in the Straits Settlements, in particular the Botanic Gardens in Singapore. He made remarkable contributions to the field of tropical agriculture, including the introduction of the para rubber tree and a technique of harvesting the latex sustainably. Sustainably. Several prominent collectors such as H.N. Ridley, G.S. Godino, and R.W. Holland made the first collection of several native plants species for the Singapore Herbarium, Singapore Botanic Gardens at the reserve. One of Singapore's last remaining freshwater swamp forests, Nison Freshwater Swamp, is sustained by tributaries which flow into Sungei Seletar. Several prominent ethologists such as Michael W. F. Tweedy, Eric R. Alfred, Morris Cotilat, Tan Yok Hui, and Nang Yok Hee have studied and sampled the native freshwater species found in the Nison Freshwater Swamp and Sungei Seletar. So this is Malayan Forest Beta, and this is Entuvens rasbora, and that is Forest Half-Beak, and this is Harlequin rasbora. Eric R. Alfred served as Curator of Zoology of the Raffles Museum, now known as the National Museum of Singapore, from 1957 to 1973. He was actively involved in the collection of fish specimens in Singapore and the region, and in the search and expansion of the museum's zoological collection. Alfred's 1966 publication, The Freshwater Species of Singapore, was a significant contribution to the collective body of knowledge pertaining to Singapore's freshwater bodies, and as it details his records made from rivers and streams at the time, some of which no longer exist today. So this is, guys, the history of the past, and this is under national park boards. Before it was Springleaf Nature Park, the land that Springleaf Nature Park is on formerly contained the village of Chanchukang. Chan Alak, the headman, acquired his list of 18 hectares in 1850 to cultivate gambir and pepper. The mini Chukang's village, located around Manday Road, Simbawang Road, and the Sungei Seletar area, became collectively known by the locals as Kangkar. This is Springleaf Nature Park under National Park Boards. And this is their park etiquette, guys. No smoking, no littering, no feeding of monkeys, no feeding of fishes, no feeding of terrapins and tortoises, no releasing animals, no fishing and poaching, no flocking of plants, no open fires, and no barbecuing, no loud music, no motorized vehicles, lest your dogs and clean up after them. So this is their park etiquette, guys. And guys, this is the changing generations, changing landscape. In 1755, Singapore was thought to be a banana-shaped island, even then colonies of native coastal dwellers known as Orang Lot was already well established in local coastal and riverine areas. The Orang Lot live in longboat houses known as sampan pajang near the coast or river banks. The Orang Lot living in Sungei Seletar were known as Orang Seletar. The Orang Seletar were nomadic fishermen and hunters that depended on the Sungei Seletar and the Straits of Johor for food and trade. As Singapore developed, they were also engaged in the harvesting of bacau, mangrove timber, or charcoal and construction material. So in 1885, this 1885 map of Singapore shows Sungei Seletar, the village of Chanchukang, and the adjacent gambir and pepper plantations. Kangchu is a title given for the Chinese headman of the settlement known as Chukang. This village were often referred to as Kangkar, meaning river's lake, because of their location along river. In Singapore, each Kangkar was divided into the number of bangsals, as Malay term, used to describe the dwelling used by the laborers, which also doubled as a place where they would prefer the harvested gambir and pepper for the market. This photo shows workers harvesting pepper from ladders in a plantation in Singapore. Gambir was often planted together with pepper because the leaf litter from the gambir would provide nutrients and help protect the roots of the pepper plants. So in the early 90s, Lin Nison, a pineapple and rubber magnate, purchased land in the vicinity of Chanchukang and established Nison Village just north of the Chanchukangvillage. In this image, he posed with his company truck, which was filled with pineapples. Lee Nison, the Pineapple King. This is the map of Nison Village in 1932, showing how the Sungei Seletar formerly meandered through the land. A typical village house in Nison Village. Village houses like this existed in Nison Village until the late 1980s. So in 1969, a map showing the developments around Nison Village and resulting changes to the tributaries of Sungei Seletar. So this is 2014, guys. the junction of Upper Thomson Road and Monday Road in 2014. Note the absence of the two-story bungalow shown in the 1970s image below. View of the junction Upper Thomson Road and Monday Road in 1976. The two-story concrete bungalows was one of the first buildings constructed in Nissan Village. However, it was demolished for a road extension scheme in the 1970s. Today, Springleaf Nature Park serves both wildlife and humans alike as a green buffer and an alternative venue for nature-related activities. So this is, guys, the changing generations and changing landscapes. So I'm just going inside the park now, guys. The very first settlers, before any humans set foot in Singapore, freshwater animals such as the Malayan box terrapin, field frog, Asian swamp eel, and tree-spot gourami were already common inhabitants of our freshwater bodies to protect these native species and enjoy the balance of the ecosystem. So this is, guys. And this is a Springleaf Nature Park and the oil palm. The spot you are standing on used to be part of an oil palm plantation. The palm you can see here is a remnant of that plantation. Singapore's fort also once played an important role in the oil palm industry as it is facilitated the distribution of Malayan produced palm oil. Springleaf Nature Park, guys, is just nearby in Springleaf MRT station. And this consists the area of 6 hectares. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's beautiful and amazing. And this is Singapore's pioneer. Some of the earliest immigrants who came to Singapore were the Orang Lot or sea people. They came in the pre-colonial days and lived along Singapore's coastlines and rivers. The group of the occupied the Sungei Seletar estuary was known as the Orang Seletar as demand of firewood and construction timber grow. Due to the settlements in Singapore's town, the Orang Seletar who fished and hunted for a living engaged in harvesting of bacau or mangrove timber. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's beautiful and amazing. And it also looks peaceful. It's beautiful, guys. Actually, Springleaf Nature Park, guys, is just a small but serene park located in the Upper Thomson area of Singapore. Offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's amazing, guys. So I'm just passing by into the bridge, guys. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's all about nature. So now, guys, I'm going to bird watch. So I'm going this way, guys.
Alright, cheers, bye.
Look at this view, guys. It's really beautiful and amazing. And this place is also good for walking and jogging, guys. Or family bonding and friends. This is a smoke-free park, guys. Birds in Springleaf Nature Park. Over time, the former Chanchukangvillage and surrounding plantations developed into secondary forest. Today, this area supports a variety of habitats, which acts as nature corridors between the central catchment nature reserve and surrounding green spaces, attracting diverse species of native birds and other animals. More than 80 species of resident and migratory birds can be spotted in the park. So I'm going on the top now, guys. So this is bird watch or bird watching, guys. As you can hear, a lot of birds chirping. It's beautiful and amazing, guys. Hi guys, I'm just going out from the park now, so I'm just passing by in Park Connector. From the bird watching area. Springleaf Park Connector. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that it will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.